Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 628 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi connection instead of mobile data, because using the Wi-Fi you can be sure that you won't be charged for downloading something. So after making sure that you've got the connection, enter the Play Store. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so right here we are on the Google Play Store, and if you will be signed in, then it will look like it. If you're not, then you can do it using accounts section. You can simply add the account using a backup option, or you will be able to sign in here. So after that, all you have to do is to simply tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner, and as you can see, we are signed in. So let's tap on My Apps and Games. Here we've got, actually immediately we've been transferred to the installed apps, and here we've got the updates. So here we've got all listed updates for the apps which we've got currently installed on our device, and it depends what you want to achieve. So you can update all of those apps just by tapping on Update All, and of course all of them will be downloaded, or you can simply update only one of them or two of them. It's up to you. So all you have to do is to simply find the update which is on this list, the update for a particular app, and simply tap on Update next to it. So let me pick Google Play Games, and as you can see, we can either open it or update. So let's simply tap on Update. Of course, you will have to accept everything, and as you can see, right now the update is pending. I mean, it will be downloaded, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated and applied. So basically, you do not need to do anything more. And as you can see, it will be also notified right here that your device is downloading something. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your HTC Desire 628. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.